Asampa etia. Obanyansa fuso wo bunye won kana asam. Ze mafutu sam kakre wa asupeme. Yo Kofi.
In 2015, when ENAP set up its JV company, now known as ChampionX Oilfield Solutions Ghana Limited, it made that strategic decision to be fully responsible for all landed facilities and the construction of a blending facility and warehousing and storage provisions. This decision is in conformity with the requirements of the local content or the Petroleum Commission laws in Ghana.
We thought it was wise, that as a local company, try and put up such a plant. But then we also got wind of the fact that ENR, which is the local partner of ChampionX, also had that plan as well. So we thought it was wise to speak to them. So we all sat down, and trust me, it was very seamless.
The facility is located in the industrial enclave on the Apoan Kajebre Road between Yinsen Production and Clean Ghana. In the first quarter of 2023, construction started, and by the final quarter of that year, main civil works had been completed. The mechanical installation stage, which comprised the setting up of blenders, then continued from December 2023 and has just been completed. The facility is part of a 5-acre land, out of which approximately 2 acres has been allocated to the siting of phase 1 of the chemical blending and storage base.
Everything on this project was done in-house, from architectural through engineering designs. The highlight of this facility is the blending infrastructure that has been installed, where we have 2 blenders. One is a 5 metric ton blender, and the other one is a 10 metric ton blender. As a requirement for the blending facility, they need what is known as the demineralized water to aid in the blending of the chemicals. So we had to do our own water treatment system here, which we set up. We have 2 boreholes on site, which feed what is known as a reverse osmosis system.
This being the first in the country, it had to meet all the standards. We had to check all the boxes. Typically, once it's a chemical facility, all eyebrows go out, but this is a facility that has that full assurance. Industry standards were all met.
Within the facility are carefully constructed network of drainage systems, which are intended to channel water or whatever chemical is spilled in case of a spillage. These are often directed into underground sumps, which have independent valves that can be sealed off to isolate or localize the spillage. All the sumps are connected to an oil separator, through which proper separation can be done where necessary.
One thing that is also a feature of this facility is that every section has what we call band walls, in that there is a small barrier or barricade around that section to minimize or to eliminate the exit of any chemical spillage that may happen.
The facility has offices as well as conferencing and training rooms, kitchen facilities, as well as changing rooms and washrooms. 2N Chemicals seeks to enhance innovation, efficiency, and deepen sustainability by continuing to source and build local capacity.
We do have a very, very, very strong technology transfer structure put in place, that whoever comes in as a foreigner, that person has a specified amount of time to be in country, maybe maximum 2 years, to make sure that our guys are trained and trained well. And if it be that we also have to send them out there, to get extra knowledge and training, so be it. We'll do that, because this is Ghana, this is us. This is 2 local companies coming together, and one of the objectives is to make sure that we empower our guys here, to do the jobs.
The plan is to fill the entire 5-acre land with our proposal as designed. And it is also important to say that this JV has committed 10 acres for development. This facility will serve the needs of the entire upstream sector, will serve the needs of the mining sector as well, and will serve the needs of various industries in Ghana.
It is our prayer and hope that, you know, all the other industries hearing about us will really patronize, you know, what we have and help support in growing the business instead of, you know, relying on import goods and stuff. So yeah, we're very excited about the future.
What was once a potential and a dream is now a reality. Now, we can look forward to a reduction in the importation of water and oil-based chemicals. We can introduce, develop and retain technical know-how and capacity in-country. Now, we can be sure that chemicals will be available in time for use for both offshore and onshore, thus promoting business continuity. In addition, other industries aside oil and gas can also be served. Ayiko to Ensol Energy and Eco Natural Resources. Ayiko to our regulators and stakeholders. Ghana man, Ayiko. Well done.